Hey planners, it's Taya Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning the week of February 22nd to the 28th, and the 23rd of February is my anniversary, so I'm using the beautiful I Do kit from Stuck on You Designs, and I do have a guest host with me today, or a guest commentator, voiceover persona with me today.
Yay, it's me.
Would you like to introduce yourself?
It's Bay.
Okay.
Tay and Bay, part 2.
Oh.
The Hamilton edition.
Really?
Awesome. Wow.
Alrighty. That's my husband. And he, for the purposes of this video, has decided to identify himself as Bay. So we will be doing this video together. And so it's very funny because I asked him before this video, we were talking, and he was trying to decide whether or not he wanted to go through questions or if he wanted to attempt to comment what's actually happening on the video in front of him. I'm going to give you a chance just to tell me what's happening just like right now.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, she's putting down stickers.
Really? Really?
With a flare.
With a flare?
With a flare.
Okay, well, what are these called?
Stickers.
The little numbers.
Decals.
Alrighty. What are these called?
Headers.
No, that's not a bad guess. They're date covers, and those were date dots.
Date dots.
Yes.
Okay.
The little numbers.
It's a whole language.
It is.
Oh.
And I'm getting started on my sidebar. So let's not put you through this. I did create some questions for Ray's fiancé series that I thought would be fun for us to answer. And if you guys are interested in hearing Ray and Greg's answers to these questions, I'll have her video linked in the description box. So
shout out to Ray.
Oh, you're going to make her day. She's going to love that.
Ray, I think you and Tay should do a song from Hamilton in your next podcast.
Dear God, no.
You should do instead of the 10 dual commandments, you should do the 10 planner commandments.
That's not a thing.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's the 10 planner commandments. Number 1.
Let's not.
Put washi on the thing.
Nice.
Number 2.
No bows in the center of boxes. That'll start a duel. So, I don't know how we got onto Hamilton. Let's start with the questions. The first question. What food reminds you of each other? So you're supposed to answer the question about me. What food reminds you of me?
Pizza.
Yes. This is so signature me.
Any kind of pizza.
This is my favorite food. If I could eat pizza for breakfast, lunch, and dinner all day, every day for the rest of my life, I would. What food reminds me of you? Mexican food and anything spicy.
True that.
Yeah.
I'm a spicy one.
What is your favorite activity to do together? Oh. We should know this.
We should.
We've been married quite some time. We've been hanging out together for years.
It's usually movies.
Movies. That feels right. Yeah, that feels right. When hanging out with friends, do you prefer a casual game night in or dressing up nice and going out?
Oh,
he prefers a casual game night in. For
night.
Sure.
Yeah, because then we just obliterate people.
Oh, yes, we're highly competitive.
Extremely.
Yes. Especially when we play Taboo.
Oh, I'm the Taboo champion.
Yeah, we're awesome.
No one's beating me in Taboo. I challenge anyone.
Really?
Right now in the planner community.
Really?
Taboo next week.
Alrighty.
What about, you?
Yeah, well, you have to answer for me.
Oh.
Yeah, which would I prefer?
That's a tough one because you're just as competitive as I am. Mm-hmm. But you also have some bougie tendencies. So you probably want to go out.
I do. I enjoy dressing up nice and going out. Thank you. Where have you always wanted to travel? Hawaii. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's on our list. We're gonna get there as soon as this pandemic ends. Do you watch sports together?
The Super Bowl is the one thing we watch together.
Well, sometimes I watch the NBA Finals with you.
Yeah, I'm not always.
But you're not that always into
basketball.
the NBA Finals, yeah. Yeah, but for sure we always watch the Super Bowl together. 'Cause I love me some football.
Yeah, yo. Okay, here's a inside peek into Tay, who's really sweet and pure and whatever. Except for when there's football. My gosh.
I could be a little intense. If I were a guy, I would have wanted to be a football coach. It's an awesome game. And it's funny because when I was a kid, my dad said I reminded him of the little girl from Remember the Titans because she was like super intense about football. I loved the game, and I loved it because my dad loved the game. It's his favorite sport. So, if you had to predict which of you would, oh Jesus God, that was a hard question to ask. If you had to predict which of you would you guess your first child will look like the most? So, like, if you had to guess which, with our first kid, is it gonna look more like you or me?
Oh, me, hands down.
Really? Oh,
yeah.
Then God, I hope it's a boy. Not that I wouldn't want our daughter to look like you, because she would be beautiful if she did, but I want my daughter to look like me.
Yeah, because I don't know what a girl me looks like. That would be odd with a bearded 5.
She would have a beard. Oh my God. If you had to pick a career in a different field, what would you choose? So you work in mental health. If you were to work in a field that wasn't mental health, oh God, maybe teaching.
Okay, wait. Is this contingent on me having the same personality and skills?
I don't know. It's not supposed to be that deep. Just answer the question. And you're not supposed to answer for you. You're supposed to answer for me.
Well, no, because that would help you to know what I would...
Like your interests would be?
Yeah.
Outside of...
See how I did that?
Okay. I don't know. Do you want to be a model or something? What am I looking for here?
Like Zoolander?
Yes. with one facial expression. This is just like... Would you like to be an actor? You could be an actor. You're ridiculous sometimes.
I am. I would actually want to be like an artist. Like a graphic, like to draw and like do video games and make stuff.
Oh yeah, that would definitely require a different skill set for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not trying to knock your art, dear. It's awesome.
My stick people be on point. So whatever.
Sure.
Okay. Wait, I have to answer for you.
Yes, for me. If I had to pick a different career, not in finance.
Dance.
Oh. Yeah. God, that's such a competitive career. I don't know that I would want... I'd need a different personality because I'd need to be able to handle the grind of something that just so much rejection in that field.
I just imagine you like that episode of Fresh Prince with Aunt Viv.
That dance was the bomb. She got down. That remains one of my favorite moments in that entire series.
Oh my God, people, she's doing it right now.
Shut up. I am not actually dancing right now. Moving on to the next question.
Okay, wait, we forgot the commentary. So you're putting down more stickers.
We're never going to get through all these questions if you keep going back to commentary. That's all I'm saying. Okay, but do tell. What do you think I'm doing in this moment?
You're flourishing. What is this move called?
What is that box
flourish?
called that I put down?
What is the box called?
Yes.
Rectangle? Oh, no.
It's a half box. And I added a balloon icon and an Instagram icon. And now I'm going to do some layering. So I have a circle icon, but I didn't want to use the weights icon that was on it. I just needed the color as a background to this little cake icon that I'm putting down because I made a bakery run, which was so exciting for me because I haven't driven in months because of recovering from my broken ankle, and so it was really exciting for me this week because I drove to the bakery, so that was a big deal.
True.
I was very proud of myself. Anywho, would you like to continue on with your commentary or questions? Okay.
Questions.
Name a place that if you suggest going there, your fiance is always interested in going there. Oh, Jesus.
Round table pizza.
That is highly accurate. Jesus, I'm that predictable. I'm super easy. A cruise.
Yup.
Yeah, you're always interested. You're always down. You're like, sure, yeah, let's go on vacation. Let's get the heck out of here. Hold on. If you had to pick a different state to live in, where would you go? We're going to Texas.
Texas.
Yeah. So it's not so much of an if. It's at some point in the future it's gonna happen. All right, we are going to the lightning round. So these questions are supposed to be rapid fire. So let's see if we can just answer quickly. So who usually does the dishes?
You.
Yes. Takes out the trash?
Me.
Yep. Is experimental with cooking?
Me.
For sure. Walks. We don't have a dog. Sorry, that one was specific to Ray.
What about walks ourselves?
Walks ourselves. Okay, sorry. Who usually picks what movie we watch? Me.
You.
Yeah. Decides where we're going for a date night. I feel like that's kind of even.
Combo?
Yeah. Shops for home decor.
You.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna say, request a Starbucks run. You, because I don't drink Starbucks. I don't drink coffee. Makes travel plans.
Yeah.
No, don't, that was should have been a really quick and easy answer. When's the last time you talked to our travel agent?
I don't even know her name. When you said travel, it threw me. I just thought of going somewhere.
Damn, I'm sorry. Oh, who usually takes selfies?
You.
Yeah. Drives the most when we're riding together.
You.
Yes.
God, driving is brutal.
And I love to drive so much. It is like for me, driving is very relaxing and soothing. I can if I had just a long drive to do really good music and just relax and drive, I love it. Makes new friends easily. Me.
You.
This is the socially awkward club. The two of us.
Yeah.
It's I'm just less slightly socially awkward than you are.
Yeah.
Wakes up first on weekends.
You.
Me, for sure. I'm an early riser any day of the week. Wraps the Christmas presents.
You.
Yes. He doesn't. It's not good. I was really proud of you for trying, though.
The paper got on there.
Oh, sweet.
I usually buy the gifts, though. So that's my contribution.
Yes, you do. And you're very good at that. And last one, who usually folds the laundry? Not does the laundry, folds it. That fold and put away part, because I would definitely say if we're talking about who does the laundry, that's you all day. I hate doing laundry and he's great at it, but that second half of
Jeffrey.
Yeah, okay, he's been watching The Fresh Prince a lot lately, so that's where all these references are coming from. If you had to throw your fiance a themed birthday party, what theme would you pick for them? Don't you dare say pizza.
Pizza party for a 30-year-old. All right.
For you, a Star Wars or Avengers. Maybe Star Wars.
For you? Oh my God. It feels like it would need to be something pretty.
Yes, that feels right. Like a princess themed party.
Yeah.
Very, very pink. Oh, Jesus. I'm afraid to ask this one. If you had to name your child after a character from your fiance's favorite TV show, what's the show and what would the child's name be?
Your favorite
TV God,
show.
From your favorite TV show. Why did I come up with this question? Godly.
What is your favorite TV show?
I
Please don't
know.
say Grey's Anatomy, because I'm not naming a child Meredith.
No.
I'll fight that kid every minute.
This one here. He's not a fan of Meredith.
She's the worst.
She's not the worst. All right.
You are the worst, but
we're moving on to a different question. I can't even think of what my favorite TV show is. For you, though, oh my God.
You have a lot of choices, so.
My child's name would be Optimus Prime. Oh, Lord.
Optimus Prime Parks.
No. I'm not doing that to a child. Oh, sweet Jesus. My child would be named after a Transformer. Oh, no.
Well, Optimus used to be named Orion, if that makes you feel better.
No, thank you.
Okay.
All right.
I tried so hard.
Yeah, you did. Which would be worse? If your fiance could read your mind... Fiance, sorry, this was for Ray's fiance series. If your spouse could read your mind when you're having a fight, or when when an attractive stranger catches your attention. So which would be worse? If I could read your mind when we're having a fight, or when you saw somebody you thought was attractive?
Who came up with this question?
I did. Which one of them would be worse? I'm waiting.
So on the screen, she's putting down a half box.
No, boo.
With a
nope.
swirl.
No. Back off that flourish. Answer the question. Which would be worse? For me to be able to be in your head when we having a fight, or when you see somebody that you think is hot? I'm waiting.
It would be the first, because there's no one hotter than you.
Oh, right answer. Oh, that was the right answer. Very smooth. Next question.
No.
Yeah, we're moving on, right? Wait, what was the question?
You know the question. You said it to me like 18 times.
I think the question is like, which would be worse? Will be.
Wow. She's really struggling here, ladies and
There's
gentlemen.
no one hotter than you. I'm in love with you.
You know what?
But it's not a question of seeing someone hotter than you. It's a question of seeing someone who you find attractive, which I wouldn't want you in my head if that happened. But... Okay, so we are rapidly coming to the end of this video. So we are going to wrap this up with one last question. How many days does it take when you're away from your spouse before you start missing them?
Like a day and a half.
Oh, that's so sweet.
It's too much.
I would say I could probably go like a weekend, and yeah, because I had a girls' weekend with my friends, and by Sunday I was missing you like crazy. So yeah, I can make it a couple of days before I start missing you. Thank you so much for doing this with me.
Bay out.
I love you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.
Bye.